Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by unlocking your device and connecting to Wi-Fi so downloads and changes go smoothly. Open Chrome or your phone's default browser and navigate to Google.com. This is where you create the shortcut. Once done, make sure you're on the exact Google page you want, search homepage, or a specific Google app page, because the shortcut will link directly to that URL. Now locate the browser menu to reveal the Add to Home option. That's your next actionable step. With the Google page open, tap the browser menu button, usually 3 dots at the top right or a share icon at the bottom, and look for Add to Home Screen or Add Shortcut. Select it, then edit the shortcut name so it's concise and recognizable on your home screen. Once you confirm, the system will create an icon. Some launchers let you drag it to a folder or position. If prompted, allow necessary permissions so the icon can appear where you want it. After the icon appears, long press and drag it to the exact home screen spot or into a folder for tidy access. If your launcher supports it, you can resize the icon or add a label. If not, long press and choose Edit to rename. If the shortcut doesn't open Google or shows an error, restart the browser first, then the device. Clearing the browser cache usually fixes stale links. If problems persist, recreate the shortcut from the corrected.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.